Comprehensive tutorial. Various formats in Google Ads. Google Ads offers a range of ad formats to help businesses effectively engage with their target audience across different platforms. This comprehensive tutorial will provide an overview of the various ad formats available within Google Ads and how to utilize them for your advertising campaigns. 1. Introduction to Google Ads formats. 1. Overview of Google Ads and its significance in online advertising. 2. Importance of choosing the right ad format based on campaign objectives. 2. Search ads. 1. Explanation of text-based search ads. 2. Components of a search ad: headlines, descriptions, display URL. 3. Crafting compelling ad copy and utilizing relevant keywords. 4. Utilizing ad extensions, site link, callout, structured snippet, etc. 5. Importance of quality score and ad relevance. 6. Setting up and optimizing search ad campaigns. 3. Display ads. 1. Introduction to visual display ads. 2. Ad design and specifications: image, HTML5, responsive ads. 3. Targeting options: demographics, interests, placements, remarketing. 4. Display ad best practices for effective engagement. 5. Creating and optimizing display ad campaigns. 4. Video ads. 1. Overview of video advertising on YouTube and Google Display Network. 2. Types of video ads: TrueView in-stream, TrueView discovery, bumper ads. 3. Creating engaging video content that captures attention. 4. Targeting options for video ads: demographics, interests, keywords. 5. Ad sequencing and storytelling with video campaigns. 6. Setting up and optimizing video ad campaigns. 5. Shopping ads. 1. Introduction to product listing ads, plus, and shopping campaigns. 2. Creating a Google Merchant Center account and product feed. 3. Structuring shopping campaigns and ad groups. 4. Utilizing product groups and bid adjustments. 5. Importance of high-quality product images and data. 6. Managing and optimizing shopping ad campaigns. 6. App ads. 1. Overview of app promotion ads on Google. 2. App campaign types: universal app campaigns, UAC, and app installs. 3. Creating compelling ad text and visuals for app promotion. 4. Utilizing deep linking for seamless app user experience. 5. Tracking and measuring app downloads and engagement. 6. Setting up and optimizing app promotion ad campaigns. 7. Responsive search ads. 1. Understanding responsive search ads and their benefits. 2. Creating adaptable ad copy with multiple headlines and descriptions. 3. Google's machine learning in optimizing responsive search ads. 4. Monitoring and refining ad variations for improved performance. 8. Local services ads. 1. Introduction to local services ads for service-based businesses. 2. Verification process and requirements for local services ads. 3. Creating a detailed business profile and service offerings. 4. Customer reviews and ratings in local services ads. 5. Managing and optimizing local services ad campaigns. 9. Call-only ads. 1. Utilizing call-only ads to drive phone calls to your business. 2. Creating compelling call-only ad copy and descriptions. 3. Setting up call tracking for performance measurement. 4. Optimizing bid strategies and scheduling for call-only campaigns. 10. Responsive display ads. 1. Creating visually appealing responsive display ads. 2. Adapting to various ad sizes and placements across the display network. 3. Utilizing Google's machine learning for optimal ad combinations. 4. Importance of high-quality images and brand consistency. 11. Discovery ads. 1. Introduction to discovery ads that appear across Google platforms. 2. Utilizing visually engaging ad formats with compelling headlines. 3. Targeting options based on user behavior and interests. 4. Leveraging machine learning for optimized campaign performance. 12. Smart campaigns. 1. Overview of smart campaigns designed for simplicity and automation. 2. Benefits of using smart campaigns for small businesses. 3. Setting up smart campaigns with minimal effort. 4. Monitoring and optimizing smart campaigns for desired outcomes. 13. Cross-format strategies. 1. Integrating different ad formats for cohesive campaigns. 2. Aligning messaging and creative across various formats. 3. Utilizing remarketing to reinforce messaging and conversions. 14. Performance monitoring and optimization. 1. Key metrics to monitor for each ad format: center, conversion rate, etc. 2. Regular analysis and adjustments to optimize campaigns. 3. A/B testing ad variations and strategies for continuous improvement. 15. Compliance and policies. 1. Adhering to Google Ads policies and guidelines for each ad format. 2. Ensuring compliance with ad content, landing pages, and user experience. 16. Future trends and insights. 1. Exploring emerging trends and innovations in Google Ads formats. 2. Staying updated with new ad formats and features. By understanding and effectively utilizing the various ad formats available within Google Ads, you can create comprehensive and impactful advertising campaigns that resonate with your target audience and drive meaningful results for your business.